Good day, little friends. Today we're joining Chucky, the baby yellow duck, on a sunny beach day filled with joy and laughter. As Chucky arrives at the seaside, the sun is shining bright and the beaches are bustling with cute animals. Dogs, cats, and more. Wearing adorable diapers, Chucky sets out to create a sandcastle masterpiece, shaping the sandy shores into a work of art. With stylish sunglasses perched on, our little beach enthusiast enjoys a sunbath, soaking up the warmth and embracing the sunny day. Chucky explores the beach, collecting seashells and creating a treasure trove of ocean wonders. Each shell tells a story of the deep blue sea. Donning a swimming ring, Chucky waddles into the gentle waves, surrounded by the laughter of seagulls and the playful splashes of dolphins. As the day draws to a close, Chucky, content and full of joy, says goodbye to the golden sun. The beaches echo with the sounds of a happy day. Close your eyes, dear ones, and let the memories of Chucky's sunny beach day fill your dreams with warmth and laughter. Good day!